All right. So those are just some of the what if simulations you can do. We've got some other more advanced ones. We do have folks occasionally that say we want to look at what it would take to split a project. I'm going to see if I have activities in here. I do. So let's say, for example, you get down through, and these are activities. Now, again, they've either come in from a project server or some other external system, or you've entered these directly into Tempus, the standalone version. But I can say, what if we now are going to put this project on hold, and I need to move all this work to the future, and I want to simulate what that's going to do. So that's what splitting allows me to do. So I can actually say, here's when we're going to stop this work, move it in the future, and then I want to save those changes and put it back to my portfolio. So what it will, in essence, do is free up all the resources during that one time window, and again, slide that work out into the future, which obviously occasionally happens. So this again allows you to simulate it, and you can see I've got now 2 projects, International Retail Evaluation 1 and 2. Now, I know I'm going through a lot of features and functions here, but know that I can also, at any point in time, I'm tracking all the changes that I'm doing as I'm doing this what if simulation, and we're basically persisting it. So you do have the option, though, as you're running through these simulations, you can say, hey, let's just go back to my base so I can undo all, or maybe you're going to say, hey, I don't want to expand this project, so I want to just undo that. And again, in real time, it's going to recalculate and look at my FTEs, my hours, and my dollars. So, and then obviously when you're done making all these what if simulations, you have the ability, if you're using another tool, to present a really nice report to a team to say, here's how I need you to go update your project schedules now in whatever system you're using. I know I do have a question where they asked, can we take this data and actually have it go back and impact another system? And the answer is yes, we can. We have that built into the tool. Vast majority of our users don't have that turned on because they really like to have more of a governance process on when they're doing these portfolio evaluations. They really want, say, the PMs or the resource managers to go in and edit that data directly and not have a mass update. But if you do want that mass update, we basically just have to sit down with you or your partner organization that you're working with, such as Program Framework, and then they'll kind of scope out what are some of the rules that you want to have related to the updates going back to your system.